Assalamualaikum, my name is Shazam binti Hashim. My group members are Intan Nursyahida binti Razilan, Nur Atira binti Adinam, Nur Naili binti M. Sabri, and Sabrina Alia binti Abdullah. We will present about Petronas Company. Petronas was founded in August 1974 in accordance with the Petroleum Development Act, which was enacted in October 1974. The corporation was modeled after Pertamina, Indonesia governmental oil and gas company. Next, significant events have characterized the company past, such as Petronas participation in a variety of domestic and international petroleum activity and its transformation into a globally integrated oil and gas corporation. Moreover, Petronas has made substantial contribution to the expansion and prosperity of national economy, thereby playing a pivotal role in the national progress.
Petronas aims to be a prominent international corporation in the oil and gas industry, with the goal of achieving global recognition as a top-tier firm. Petronas' mission is to improve the well-being of society across the nation in an approach that is both good and sustainable.
For organizational culture, Petronas is a global oil and gas company, has a strong organizational culture that aligns with its structure, culture and business strategies, and its core values include accountability, diversity, quality, collaboration, passion, integrity and leadership. And furthermore, Petronas is dedicated to fostering a culture of integrity, ethical behavior and professionalism, ensuring its policy and practices align with applicable laws and industry standards. And the board of directors and executive leadership team oversee Petronas' adherence to obligation, ensuring its reputation as a trusted global partner and industry leader. Petronas implements a comprehensive code of conduct and business ethics code to instill an ethical culture and guide employees in upholding its value. And the company vision statements serve as a beacon of determination and dedication to excellence as it navigates the dynamic landscape of the global energy industry.
Now I'm going to explain about the goals of Petronas. So the first goal of Petronas is Petronas are always looking for ways to improve their current oil and gas operations. This entails utilizing technical development to increase their output while minimizing waste during the exploration, manufacturing, and distribution phases. Second, Petronas recognize the limits of fossil fuels. They aggressively investigate and invest in renewable energy alternatives to provide secure electricity for future generations. So, for their second goal, Petronas actively invest in technologies that reduce greenhouse gas emissions. And second, they promote the concept of the circular economy. These measures reduce waste while increasing resources usage through reuse and recycling materials.
Symbol of energy depicts a vibrant blue symbol that represents energy in its various forms, including oil, gas, and power, while logo symmetrical shape emphasize the company's commitment to integrity and transparency in its operation. Next, the solid circle illustrates the latent potential within individuals, communities, and the environment. Color scheme of the logo. The sea blue shade stands for tranquility and safety, showing the company as a responsible and trustworthy brand. Moreover, the triangle points to a firm direction and represents the relationship between the federal government, state government, and Petronas. And lastly, clean lines and contemporary design of the logo represent Petronas, focus on modernity and innovation in the energy sector.
My name is Nur Naili binti M. Sabri. I will introduce the Petronas Board of Directors. First, we have Tan Sri Datuk Sri Muhammad Bakri Saleh as Chairman. Next, Yang Mulia Tan Sri Tengku Muhammad Taufik Tengku Muhammad Jaza Aziz as President and Group Chief Executive Officer. Liza Mustafa as Executive Vice President and Group Chief Financial Officer. Azizan Zakaria, the Chairman of our Audit Committee, Tan Sri Zahra Ibrahim, the Chairman of Nominations and Remuneration Committee, YB Datuk Haji Ibrahim Haji Baki, the Chairman of Risk Committee, Datuk Johan Mahmud or Johan Mahmud American, a member of the Audit and Risk Committee, Datuk KY Mustafa, a member of both the Audit Committee and the Nomination and Remuneration Committee, and lastly, the Company Secretary, Azizi Mat Ali and Nur Ashikin Khalid.
To conclude Pestle analysis, in 2034, Petronas navigates a complex landscape shaped by significant political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. For government policies, including those in Malaysia and other regions where it operates, heavily influence their operations. And furthermore, for economic fluctuation, particularly in oil prices and currency exchange rates, impact profitability, while social trends drive technological investment for competitive edge and environmental stewardship. Its compliance with diverse legal frameworks is essential amid changing regulation and geopolitical tensions. Petronas also focus on sustainability, innovation, and risk management to sustain global operation and uphold its reputation in the dynamic energy sector.
I'm here to share with you the key strengths that have driven Petronas' success and position them as a leader in the energy industry. First, surpassing revenue and asset. Second, global presence. Third, expand the market presence and revenue stream. Fourth is industry-leading competitive edge. Fifth is collaboration and engagement. Sixth is diverse operation. And lastly is sustainability commitment strength.
Next, Petronas faced several weaknesses, including a labour shortage and difficulty in recruiting and retaining skilled workers, which affect our operation. Next, new incentive-based regulation rates in RP2 may reduce income from gas operations. Moreover, high investment concentration exposed Petronas to geopolitical and market risks, so diversification is needed. Additionally, bureaucratic delays and political issues slow decision-making, making streamlined governance quicker. Outdated governance structures hinder competitiveness and require updating. Lastly, reliance on in-house accounts, if poorly managed, could cause financial issues. Addressing these weaknesses will help Petronas stay competitive and efficient in the global energy market.
Now I'm going to tell you guys about the opportunities in our SWOT. So the first one is lowering emission of greenhouse gases, strengthen the position and improve its brand, extend the portfolio and investigate new energy solutions, market recovery, asset reliability, talent acquisition and retention, collaboration with government agency.
The oil and gas industry continues to have a high level of competition, which presents difficulties for maintaining Petronas growth and gaining market share. Next, fluctuating foreign exchange rates and petrol cost influence of external factors on the Petronas profitability and financial performance. New tariffs that have an impact on gas transportation and regasification services may present difficulties for revenue streams. The outlook and operation of Petronas are threatened by the global economic recession, labor shortage, record high commodity prices, and disruption to the global supply chain, which may cause the economic slowdown. The incapacity of Petronas to satisfy future demand and adjust to the unpredictable economic environment is threatened by the shortage of skilled workers. The complexity of the energy transportation is a challenge to Petronas operation and plans since it requires industry participation to be flexible in adapting to the shifting energy landscape. Petronas operations are at risk due to the complexity of the energy transition and the persistent economic climate uncertainties.
For internal factor evaluation, Petronas internal factor evaluation score is meets with a score of 3.33, suggesting room for improvement in areas like store management, planning, and operations. By addressing these weaknesses, it can help to leverage Petronas' strength for greater success. And the lowest rating is 2, indicating an average respond to the business strategy of providing lubricant and petrochemicals to expand market presence and revenue streams. And Petronas also respond is rate 2 as average and in its effectiveness in strengthening and preventing their weaknesses.
Now I'm going to explain about our EFE, External Factor Evaluation. So the total weight of Petronas is 3.08. This shows that their strategy are doing well at capitalizing on chances for success and reducing the impact of outside threats. This shows that Petronas need some improvements because the highest total weight score is 4.0. Now I'm going to share about Petronas Competitive Profile Matrix, CPM. So there are 3 rival companies that compete with Petronas, which is Shell, Petron, and BHP. So Petronas has the highest total weight score, which indicates that the Petronas had advantage with handling some strong competitors.
On Malaysia Technology Excellence Awards 2024, Petronas Global Technical Solutions Sdn Bhd secured awards in 4 categories, which are Infrastructure, Analytics, Emerging Technology and Connectivity. Next, sustainability efforts. A decrease of 34% in greenhouse gas emission per barrel of oil equivalent was accomplished by Petronas in 2023 in comparison to 2019. Moreover, Petronas received 3 awards during the 2023 Building Trust Awards hosted by PwC Malaysia in honour of its unwavering dedication to transparency and sustainability. And lastly, Petronas Dagangan Berhad, a subsidiary of Petronas, accomplished an excellent financial result in the 4th quarter of 2023.
Additionally, Petronas is facing a few challenges, which is in chemical sector. The global economic slowdown has led to weak demand and reduced consumer spending, affecting our chemical sector. Keeping up with new cyber and data privacy threats is also difficult, and integrating AI and data analytics require costly changes in company culture and staff skill sets. Based on this SWOT matrix, Petronas possesses significant strengths such as strong revenues, a global presence, and a commitment to sustainability, which can be leveraged to secure government partnership, capitalize on the market recovery, and enhance brand strengths. However, weaknesses like the labor shortage, bureaucratic procedure, and investment concentration must be addressed. Opportunities in reducing emission, market recovery, and talent acquisition can be exploited through strategic collaboration and portfolio expansion. Meanwhile, threat from high competition, economic slowdown, and energy transition complexity, carbon neutrality effort, and robust engagement to maintain stability and growth. By implementing SO, WO, ST, and WT strategies, Petronas can navigate its challenges and capitalize on opportunity for sustainable and prosperous future.
For the internal external matrix, which is IE matrix, the analysis of the IE matrix suggests that Petronas division are in cell 2, 3, and 6, and this indicates that a grow and build strategy will be suitable for the company. And with these strategies involves using aggressive tactics like market penetration, market development, and product development, as well as integrative strategies like backward and forward integration. The grow and build strategy is recommended when division have a strong internal position, which is IFE, total weighted score is more than 3.0, and face a favorable external environment. EFE, total weighted score is more than 3.0, and the company utilize a strong organizational culture and efficient supply chain management, R&D, and low competition, high demand, and supportive government policies to capitalize on opportunities and diversify into new markets.
So now it's about Petronas space matrix. So, with a score of negative 1.8 in x-axis and negative 0.2 on y-axis, Petronas posture is in defensive quadrant due to its low performance in flow strategy. It depicts a financially struggling corporation in a very unstable sector of economy that would not be able to endure hard times by failing to protect its present position and take appropriate precautions against weaknesses.
First, SWOT matrix aids Petronas in enhancing its competitiveness in the oil and gas market by highlighting its financial strength, significant government budget contribution, and potential threats. Next, Petronas scored high in IE metric and it indicates that Petronas should adopt a grow and build strategy. And lastly, space metrics suggests that Petronas should develop the defensive strategy because the result poorly informed strategy dimension which are financial position, stability position, competitive position, and industry position.
The three best strategy. First one is aggressive strategy. Implement aggressive tactics like product development, market penetration, and expansions to enhance competitiveness and opportunity. Second is conservative strategy. Use defensive strategy like cost cutting, retrenchment, or focusing on core competencies to maintain market share and profitability. And the last one is competitive strategy. Improve operational efficiency, differentiations or customer service to outperform rivals and gain market share.
For QSPM, the QSPM strategy consists of three distinct strategies, which is customer-centric approach, improve marketing for a brighter future, and improving efficiency and innovation. The improving efficiency and innovation strategy has the highest score, which is 3.68 out of the 3 STAS strategies, while the customer-centric approach has the lowest, which is 2.90, and it is clear that improving the efficiency and innovation is the most appealing strategy that Petronas need to undertake.
The customer-centric approach for Petronas, which entails customizing its strategy and operation to satisfy the demands and specification of its wide range of oil and gas industry clients. Petronas then creates customized options to satisfy the unique needs of various client sectors such as bespoke energy products and adaptable pricing structure. Apart from that, Petronas can remain adaptable to changing market dynamics and consumer demands through ongoing development based on input from customers. And lastly, Petronas can reinforce its customer relationship, foster sustainable growth within the constantly developing oil and gas sector by implementing a customer-centric strategy.
The second strategy is to improve marketing for a brighter future. Petronas can work with influencers to promote podcasts and building trust with the audience. Petronas can also add gamification to the loyalty program. This is to encourage customers to earn points by completing tasks and engage more with the brands.
A focus on convenience and efficiency. First, extend operating hour. Our first strategy is to extend the operating hour of our key station with some operating 24 hours. This approach accommodates customers with unusual schedule and those facing emergency. Second is vending machine. Install vending machines at our station stocked with food, drinks, and travel essentials. This machine operates 24 hours a day, providing service when the shops are closed. Customers can quickly grab a bite or refill essential, enhance their experience at any time. And lastly is robotic assistant. We propose incorporating robotic assistant into our operation. Robots can perform repetitive tasks such as directing customer, providing basic information, and aiding with simple gasoline pump operation. They can cover shift, especially during staff shortage, ensuring continuous service. The importance of Petronas' new strategy is to first enhance market positions, addressing area needing improvement in store management and operations, as highlighted by IFE and EFE score will strengthen Petronas' market positions. Second is tackling industry challenge. To maintain success, Petronas must address worker shortage and industry change, enabling it to capitalizing on opportunity and maximizing risk. Third is emphasis on sustainability and relevance. The new strategy focuses on sustainability and relevance, crucial for adapting to industry shift and ensuring long-term viability. And fourth is operational efficiency. Optimizing operation with digital technologies, reduce costs, increase profit, and improve customer service, making Petronas as preferred choice. And lastly is long-term growth and competitiveness. This strategy boosts growth, brand value, and competitiveness, helping Petronas navigate industry complexities and ensuring long-term success. The recommendation for Petronas to optimize the impact of its new strategy. First is continuous development and feedback loop. Petronas should implement a feedback loop by regularly asking from their customer, employee, and stakeholder. Second is collaborative innovations. Encourage knowledge sharing and idea both within and outside organization foster collaborative innovations. Third is prioritizing employee engagement through comprehensive trainings and recognitions program. And lastly is integrating sustainability into operations.
In conclusion, Petronas' future depends on quality, innovation, and long-term success in the global energy market. And furthermore, company must adapt to changing stakeholder needs and takes opportunities for growth. And the start of the new project signifies the readiness to face challenges and capitalize on opportunities in developing markets. And Petronas also prioritize customer satisfaction, business efficiency, and environmental care. And for them to remain competitive, the company must invest in new ideas, train employees, and form a strategic partnerships. And lastly, success depends on adapting to new trends while remaining true to its values, ensuring Petronas to continues to create value for their customers, owners, and society.